Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of carrots. Carrots are more than just a crunchy snack or a colorful addition to your plate. They are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can positively impact your overall well-being. Today, we're going to delve deep into the orange wonder that is the carrot and uncover the science behind its remarkable health advantages. We'll discuss how carrots can enhance your vision, strengthen your immune system, and even contribute to better heart health. Whether you're a dedicated carrot lover or someone looking to boost their health through dietary choices, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a newfound appreciation for this versatile vegetable and the knowledge to make it a delicious and nutritious part of your daily life. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this colorful journey as we unveil the health benefits of carrots, one crunchy bite at a time. Firstly, you might think of carrots as just another vegetable, but hold on to your seats because we're diving deep into the science behind why these crunchy orange wonders are celebrated as antioxidant superheroes. Antioxidants are compounds that help our bodies fend off the damaging effects of free radicals, those unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells. And guess what? Carrots are loaded with them. At the heart of the carrot's antioxidant power is a group of compounds known as carotenoids. The most famous of these is beta-carotene, which not only gives carrots their brilliant orange hue, but also serves as a potent antioxidant. But here's the real magic. When you eat carrots, your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, a crucial nutrient that supports healthy vision, a strong immune system, and even contributes to skin health. Carrots also contain other essential antioxidants, like alpha-carotene and lutein. These antioxidants are known to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So if you're looking for a tasty way to boost your body's defense against oxidative stress and promote overall health, look no further than this common everyday vegetable. But wait, there is more. Research suggests that a diet rich in beta-carotene, found abundantly in carrots, may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering levels of LDL cholesterol in the bloodstream. Furthermore, carrots contain potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is vital for heart health and can reduce the risk of conditions like hypertension. Elevated levels of homocysteine in the blood can increase the risk of heart disease. Carrots contain folate, which helps lower homocysteine levels and thus contributes to heart health. Let's talk about eye health. Carrots are famously known for their high vitamin A content, which is crucial for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining proper night vision. It helps your eyes adjust to low-light conditions and is particularly important for preventing night blindness. Age-related macular degeneration is a common eye condition that often occurs with aging and can lead to vision impairment. Beta-carotene in carrots help protect the cells of the eyes from oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of AMD. Cataracts are another common eye problem, characterized by the clouding of the eye's lens. Antioxidants in carrots, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and lutein, may help delay the progression of cataracts. In addition to beta-carotene, carrots contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are highly concentrated in the retina. These compounds act as natural sunblock, protecting the eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays and reducing the risk of cataracts and AMD. What's more, carrots are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass, and helps prevent constipation. It also supports regular bowel movements, which are crucial for digestive health. The fiber in carrots serves as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is associated with improved digestion and overall well-being. It can also help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Carrots also contain enzymes like amylases, which aid in the breakdown of carbohydrates during digestion. These enzymes can support the digestive process and help your body extract nutrients from the food you eat. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But benefits don't stop there. Carrots offer certain nutrients and benefits that can contribute to bone health. They contain vitamin K1, which plays a crucial role in bone health. Vitamin K is necessary for the activation of osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium to the bone matrix. This process is essential for bone mineralization and strength. Carrots are a good source of potassium, which helps to neutralize acids in the body that can leach calcium from the bones. Maintaining a proper potassium balance can help preserve bone density. They also contain various phytonutrients, some of which may have a positive impact on bone health. For example, falcarinol, a natural compound in carrots, has been studied for its potential to enhance bone metabolism. What's more, despite their natural sweetness, carrots have a low glycemic index and can be a part of a balanced diet for individuals with diabetes. The fiber in carrots helps regulate blood sugar levels. Did you know that carrots can be beneficial for oral health? They have a crunchy texture that acts as a natural toothbrush, helping to remove plaque and debris from the teeth and gums. Chewing on raw carrots can stimulate saliva production, which further aids in cleaning the mouth and neutralizing acids. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy mucous membranes in the mouth, including the gums. Healthy gums are crucial for preventing gum disease. Carrots contain antioxidants, such as vitamin C, which can help reduce inflammation and combat harmful bacteria in the mouth. Inflammation in the gums is a key factor in the development of gum disease. They have a natural sweetness, but are not as sugary as many other snacks. Choosing carrots as a snack option can be a healthier choice for your teeth, as it reduces exposure to excessive sugars that can contribute to tooth decay. Lastly, as we said before, carrots are exceptionally rich in beta-carotene, a provitamin A carotenoid that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the health of your skin and mucous membranes, including those in your respiratory and digestive tracts. These mucous membranes act as barriers against pathogens and help trap harmful particles before they can enter the body. Carrots contain various antioxidants, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and phytonutrients. These antioxidants help combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. By reducing the burden of oxidative stress, your immune system can function more effectively. Vitamin A and other nutrients in carrots support the production and function of immune cells, such as white blood cells. These cells are essential for identifying and neutralizing pathogens like viruses and bacteria. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system. Carrots' anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce inflammation, allowing the immune system to focus on fighting infections rather than managing ongoing inflammation. What's more, carrots have a high water content, which helps maintain overall hydration. Adequate hydration is essential for all bodily functions, including immune responses. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive journey through the incredible world of carrots and their multitude of health benefits. Today, carrots have shown us that sometimes, the simplest of foods can be the most powerful. So the next time you're at the grocery store or planning your meals, remember to invite carrots to your plate. Your body will thank you. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.